जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी। जय गोपी जना वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी। जय गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदना व्रजजनरंजना। यशोदनंदना व्रजजनरंजना। यमुना तीरा वनचारी। यमुना तीरा वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी। जय गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी। जय गोपी जना वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदना व्रजजनरंजना। यशोदनंदना व्रजजनरंजना। यमुना तीरा वनचारी। यमुना तीरा वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी। जय गोपी जना वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी। जय गोपी जना वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदना व्रजजनरंजना। यशोदनंदना व्रजजनरंजना। यमुना तीरा वनचारी यमुना तीरा वनचारी हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमन हरि गोविंद जय जय राधा रमन हरि गोविंद जय जय हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय राधा मदन मोहन राधा मदन मोहन राधे जय राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे जय राधा मदन मोहन राधा मदन मोहन राधे जय गौरानिताय जय गौरानिताय प्रभुपाद 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 गुरुदेव जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिवाचार्य स्तोत्र सत His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Vibhadi Founder Acharya His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki jai. Prem se kaho Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivas Adi Gaur Bhaktivinoda ki jai. Shri Shri Radha Krishna Gopinath Radha Kunshankar Giri Govardhana ki jai. Vrindavana Dham ki jai. Mathura Dham ki jai. Dwarka Dham ki jai. Rameshwar Badrinath Dham ki jai. Jagannath Puri Dham ki jai. Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Maiya ki jai. Mayapur Navdeep Dham ki jai. Ganga Mai Jamna Mai ki jai. Vrindadev Tulsi Maharani ki jai. Ananta Kodi Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai. Gaur Premanande. All glories assembled devotees, all glories assembled devotees, all glories, all glories, all glories, Shri Guru and Gauranga. Thank you very much for coming this morning for Srimad Bhagavatam. Those who are seekers, sit down, be peaceful and absorb yourself, hearing the instructions of Prahlad Maharaj. Those who are visitors coming for the first time, would like to request them that kindly sit down in the temple hall at 8:30. The temple darshan will be open so that you can have darshan and help yourself to become wonderful devotees. So every Sunday we read Srimad Bhagavatam, and this morning we are reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto number 7, chapter number 7, and the verse number is 53. Tato haro bhagavati bhaktim kurtha danava atma upamena atma upamena sarvatra sarva bhutatmanishware tatho haro bhagavati भक्तिं कुरुता दानवा आत्मौपमेन सर्वत्र आत्मौपमेन सर्वत्र सर्वभूतात्मनीश्वरे ततो हरो भगवती भक्तिं कुरुत धानवा आत्मौपमेन सर्वत्र सर्वभूतात्मैश्वरे Mothers, Thank you very much, kids. Very nice. You did good. And especially when the kids are singing the shlokas, it's so stereophonic that it goes into your consciousness fast. So, thank you for endeavoring, and thank you, mothers, for treating your daughters and children very nicely in Krishna consciousness. This is what a family means. This is what a mother means. Training children in sanskaras. So we'll hear the Bhagavatam in the English, that word-to-word translation by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki. Tatha. Therefore, Harao, unto Lord Hari, Bhagavati, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhaktim, devotional service, Kuruta, execute, Dhanava, O my dear friends, O sons of demons, Atma Opamanye, just as one's own self, Sarvatra, everywhere, Sarva Bhuta Atmani, who is situated as soul and super soul of all living entities. Ishware, under the Supreme Lord, the controller. Translation by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki. My dear friends, O sons of demons, in the same favorable way that one sees himself and takes care of himself, take to devotional service to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is present everywhere as a super soul of all living entities. Kindly repeat after me. My dear friends, O sons of demons, in the same favorable way that one sees himself and takes care of himself, take to devotional service to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is present everywhere as the super soul of all living entities. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki. The word Atmaupapnena refers to thinking others to be like oneself. One can very intelligently conclude that without devotional service, without becoming Krishna conscious, one cannot be happy. Therefore, the duty of all devotees is to preach Krishna consciousness everywhere, all over the world. Because all living entities without Krishna consciousness are suffering the pangs of material existence. To preach Krishna consciousness is the best welfare activity. Indeed, it is described by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as para upakara, work for the truth, benefit of others. The activities of Parupakara have been especially entrusted to those who have taken birth in India as human beings. Bharat bhumite hailya manusya janma jar, janma sarthak kari kara parupakar. Chaitanya Charitamrita Adilila, verse number 9 and chapter number 9 and verse number 41. The entire world is suffering for want of Krishna consciousness. Therefore, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu advised all human beings born in India to make their lives perfect by Krishna consciousness and then preach the gospel of Krishna consciousness all over the world so that others may become happy by executing the principles of Krishna consciousness. Om Ajnanitimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunitam Yenai Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Namam Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pasyati Deshitarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivas Adi Gaur Bhaktavinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Padayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namane Gauraduse Namah. Namo Brahmane Devaya Go Brahmahitaya Cha Jagatitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah. E Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopeshu Gopika Kantha Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sutidevi Pranamami Hari. Vancha kalpatrubhyasya kripa sindhubheva cha patithanam pavanebhyo vaishnavibhyo namo namah. Once again, welcome all the devotees for coming to this Bhagavatam class. As you all know, that we continue to read from Srimad Bhagavatam every day, every evening. So, this verse is very, very important verse of the Srimad Bhagavatam, especially the whole chapter of the Bhagavatam, whole canto of the Bhagavatam, because we are hearing the nectarian, instructions of Prahlad Maharaj for all of us. Sometimes you may think that these all instructions are going to the demon, people who are his Safatis. But this was in Satyuga, and we are in Kali Yuga. Practically in every place we see demons only, not with the horn, but many demons going everywhere. They may not be recognized by the Bhagavatam, but the qualities of the demons are very vivid. And we have to also control our demonistic propensities within us, which cannot help our devotional service unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Bhagavad Gita talks about these demons very clearly. So while we are executing devotional service, we have to overcome these demons every day. Kam, Krodha, Madh, Lobh, Matsarya. We don't have to find these demons anywhere, but these demons are within us. And the process of devotional service will elevate us to the spontaneous, loving service of Supreme Personality of Godhead. Now this devotional service, quote unquote, devotional service is available everywhere, and especially in the modern times, everything they feel is service. But when we talk about devotional service means under the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. But in modern times, people have become more accustomed to the service, and devotion has been omitted in due course of a time. Because every human being has got a nature within himself to serve, the propensities of service is there. But we are channelizing them in different places. Somebody is talking about national service. Somebody is talking about, philanthropic service. Somebody is talking about, feeding the poor. Somebody is talking about so many things. We see Lions Club doing some service, Rotary Clubs doing service, Christian missionaries doing some service, Muslims doing some service, Sikhs doing service, Jains doing service. So under this word service, everything gets so amalgamated in such a manner that even a neophyte, if he's trying to do some service on the roadside, he feels, I am very happy. But actually, all these services is not going to give him real happiness. The real happiness comes from devotional service under the Supreme Personality of Godhead. When we are using our manasa, karmana, vacha, everything in the service of Krishna, then automatically we become happy. We have seen people who have been serving in Rotary clubs, Lions clubs, and they get, they get really puffed up, thinking that, oh, we are doing something. And we are doing Manav Seva. But these propensities have been imported from Western countries, because the nature of every jiva is got to serve. They are in the jobs, they are in the education, they are into all these things, and in that situation, in those situations, they try to do something, and they feel this is it's very good, I'm doing very good. And they are very proud. And they feel that they don't have to go to the temple. They don't have to read Bhagavatam. They don't have to read Bhagavad Gita. Manav Seva hi Madhav Seva. This is even the intelligent people who have acquired material degrees and everything, it cannot seep into their consciousness what is the meaning of devotional service. While we meet all kinds of people everywhere, we see that they are missing the link, and that link is with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So here we see the word Atma Mayena refers to thinking others to be like oneself. Sometimes we love ourselves. Practically everybody loves himself, isn't it? And that's why we get up early in the morning, as per their own materialistic status. they try to, start, somebody is going into the best of the, the toilets to just, take, bath or go for an excreta or whatever it is. The king of Brunei, he enters into the bathroom and he has got everything golden there. Huh? And in a poor man in the village, he goes out and he goes into the field. Isn't it? The degree of service to oneself may vary. Isn't it? But here, Prahlad Maharaj is saying, the way you are taking care of yourself, you have to serve that way to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. अपने से ज्यादा हम किसी को प्रेम नहीं करते हैं, इसलिए सुबह उठते हैं तो बेस्ट से बेस्ट ब्रश करते हैं, बेस्ट से बेस्ट साबुन लेते हैं, बेस्ट से बेस्ट ये सब शरीर के पालन पोषण के अंतर्गत हम अपने जीवन को सही ढंग से चलाना चाहते हैं। तो आध्यात्मिक जीवन की उत्तम पराकाष्ठा में प्रवेश करने के बाद हम भगवत प्राप्ति करने के लिए भगवान से कितना प्रेम करना चाहिए, दैट इज टू बी सीन। You have to have an optimum degree than what you are doing for yourself, for the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We see when Krishna is entering Mathura, there are so many people welcoming Krishna. Even those people who were serving the Kamsa, when they saw Krishna, their whole attitude of service completely changed. Kanikubja was preparing the wonderful paste of chandan every day to offer Kamsa. And when she saw Krishna entering Mathura, her heart sparked in such a way that she says she felt like giving the same pace to Krishna. Forgetting about the fear of Kansa, but Krishna accepted this paste of chandan and allowed her to apply this chandan to her. And in that process, she was transformed a beautiful woman. This is called spontaneous devotional service, where your heart is completely drawn to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We see Shabari. She's plucking the bear from the trees. She's biting every bear. She's preparing it for Lord Ram. Lord Ram is not saying that she's chewing first. She's biting the bear first. No. The undercurrent is, which bear is sweeter, so that I can offer sweet bear to my sweet Lord. There is such a wonderful, subtle devotion into this act. While even listening itself, we can understand how a devotee can be. What to speak of Supreme Personality of Godhead, experiencing it and reciprocating with his devotees. So in the previous verse it is said, you must remind this yourself. What is he saying? My dear friends, O sons of demons, you cannot please the Supreme Personality of Godhead by becoming perfect Brahmana, demigod, or great saints, or becoming perfectly good in etiquette or vast learning. None of these qualifications can awaken the pleasure of the Lord. Nor by charity, austerity, sacrifice, cleanness, or vows can one satisfy the Lord. The Lord is pleased only if one has unflinching, unalloyed devotional service to Him. Without sincere devotional service, sincere service, everything is simply a show. Don't misunderstand me. I am not saying this. This is Prahlad Maharaj talking. Great Mahajan is talking. He said that even if you are going on a Brahmanical place, on the altar, you are serving the Lord. Your qualification has started from a Shudra to a Brahmana. Now you are offering something to the Lord. And if you don't have real bhakti, how can Lord eat your offering? So this devotional service, my dear friends, is very, very important. Sincerity in every endeavor is required. This is not chalta hai, like government of Maharashtra. It's not chalta hai business. This is service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So that is why within our little lifetime, we have to endeavor to please the Supreme Personality of Godhead under the direction of Guru and Vaishnavas. If we are not able to please Vaishnava with our etiquettes, how can we please Guru with our etiquettes? How can we please Krishna with our etiquettes? Who is Vaishnava? Who is Acharya? And who is Krishna? If you don't have the sense of discrimination, it's very, very difficult for you to understand how to please Krishna. So, my dear friends, we, International Society for Krishna Consciousness, Founder Acharya, His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, 32nd Acharya in the lineage, he is giving us the best of transcendental capsules which we have to gulp in our lifetime and act after that so that we become better devotees. You have not risen above your senses. You are not risen above your fickle mind. You have not risen above for your self-adorations. You are all mixed with all this bag. And if this bag is not purified before we leave this body, the purpose of this human life is completely missed. You may be endeavoring for becoming a big businessman. You may be endeavoring to become a best educationist. You may be endeavoring to become a beautiful lady. You may be spending lakhs of rupees for your kaya to become very beautiful. You may be spending so much of money to go and in the gym to make your biceps very strong. Like an Hollywood actor, Arnold. You may be doing all that. But if you have failed in this human form of a life to please Krishna, the whole life is completely futile. Because all these endeavors are not going to give you real happiness. They're going to give you always distress. It's only devotional service which can bring your face so bright as sun. That's why it is mentioned here by Prahlad Maharaj. Devotional service is not dependent on anything. Devotional service is how much you're pouring within your lifetime to serve Krishna. 100%. That's why it is said here, one can become, Prahlad Maharaj is saying, one can become sincere, one can become pure, one can become knowledgeable, one can become austere when you are serving Supreme Personality of Godhead. And even if you are trying to elevate yourself as a Brahmana, as a demigod, or anything, but if you have forgotten this devotional service, everything is useless. Hiranyakashipu, Prahlad Maharaj's father, he did austerity for how many years? कितने साल तपस्या किया? 40,000 years. For a human being like us, not on the line of Krishna consciousness, क्या बोल रहा है? 40,000 वर्ष? तो हमने तो ऐसा कुछ सुना नहीं है. हाँ? 40,000 वर्ष क्या? This is mythology. All the British rascals, they contemplated on this Shastra because they could not accept any guru and they wanted to think, Are, kya hai isme, kya hai? So it's all mythology. And we Indians started like parrot all the time, speaking, it's mythology, mythology, mythology. And the rascals in degree owners, politicians, Bollywood actors, all rascals, they talk about these things, mythology, mythology. They cannot differentiate what is mythology and what is Vedic Shastra. So when they see 40,000 years, Hiranyakashipu did tapasya. ये क्या? ये तो असंभव की बात है. ये झूठ है. But a devotee, when he is studying the Vedic Shastra, he says, oh, what is the age of Satyuga? What is the age of Dwapar Yuga? What is the age of Treta Yuga? And what is the age of Kali Yuga? Because this whole Vedic Shastra is revealed by Lord Himself. And then we see that Hiranyakashipu is meditating for 40,000 years. So what did he ask? Not to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, to his Brahmaji. So what is he asking? मुझे इतना बड़ा बना दो कि कोई मार नहीं सकेगा, ताकि मैं जीवन अंत तक इंद्र तृप्ति के साधन बनाए रखूंगा. What is demon looking for? Sense gratification at any cost. What is materialistic looking for? At any cost, I want to be better than the neighbor. I should have car, I should have this, I should have that. So the whole endeavor of materialistic life is to see that how you can satisfy your senses or fellow beings or your family, and the whole life goes on satisfying them. कभी घी का पराठा खिलाओ तो कभी पनीर का पराठा खिलाओ, कभी सैंडविच खिलाओ तो कभी कुछ. ये टंग जो है ये कभी संतुष्टि नहीं होती है. ये मांगे मोर, ये मांगे मोर. कुछ मजा नहीं आया प्रभु जी. But that sincere devotee, when his senses are aroused to the level of optimum degree of devotional service, if he eats a raw potato also, he says, भगवान ने इसमें कितना रस भर दिया है, भगवान ने इस एप्पल में कितना रस भर दिया है, एक स्ट्रॉबेरी में कितना टेस्ट दे दिया है, इस अंगूर में कितना रस भर दिया है. He is appreciating. He is seeing Krishna everywhere. He is loving everything. Even if he is thinking that he is in the jail, but he is just so absorbed in thoughts of Krishna that he always appreciates Lord's creation, whether it's material or spiritual. Because devotional service is taking out of him the demonistic propensity and injecting in him the constitutional position which is Jivere Swarup Hoy Krishnir Nityadas. My dear friends, when we are trying to become Nityadas of Krishna, there are so many elements who are helping us to push to become Krishna conscious. Of our own, we are now nobody. प्रातः में सुबह उठने के अंतर्गत जब आप ओम केशवाय बोलते हैं, नारायण बोलते हैं, माधवाय बोलते हैं, गोविंदाय बोलते हैं, हाँ, दूसरों को लगता होगा कि ये थोड़ा तिलक है, मगर वैष्णव को मालूम है ये मेरा कवच है. हाँ? वैष्णव को लगता है ये मेरा कवच है, ये मेरा आभूषण है. और जो इन सभी आभूषणों से अपने आप को युक्त कर देता है, भगवत भक्ति उसके लिए सहज बन जाती है. क्योंकि there are so many elements which are making us better devotees. One devotee came here, Prabhuji, I cannot come to Mangal Aarti because खारगर में पानी नहीं होता है. Isn't it? खारगर में पानी नहीं होता, इसलिए मैं सुबह सुबह स्नान नहीं कर सकता, और स्नान नहीं कर पाऊंगा तो मंगल आरती नहीं आ पाऊंगा. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है इसलिए मैं नहीं आ पाया. ऑटो नहीं मिल रहा है इसलिए मैं नहीं आया। कितने जीवन में सहायकता के बाद हम इस निष्कर्ष पे आ जाते हैं कि हमको थोड़ा सा भगवत भक्ति करना है। और जब हम भगवत भक्ति करते हैं, वो सब आनंद आने लगता है। उस वक्त ये सब चीजें इमैटेरियल हो जाती हैं, क्योंकि ब्रजवासी लोग बहुत समय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के अंदर अपना जीवन निर्वाह नहीं करते हैं। ये सब चीजें उनके लिए इमैटेरियल हो जाता है। What is very important, whether my heart is completely captivated by the beauty of Krishna. So that is why it is said here that even, Prabhupada is saying, even if the person is a debauchee, apichet suduracharo bhajatam ananya bhag. Even if the person is most demonistic, if he takes up to Krishna consciousness very sincerely, he is also to be considered a great saintly person. This is Krishna saying, not me. You may get rebutted by an attitude of a person, but Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita, apichet suduracharo. But if he is engaged in some devotional service, call him a sadhu. Call him sadhu, sir. Because we are not able to see the persona of an even durachari or a person who is endeavoring in devotional service from Shastric viewpoint. When you see everything from a Shastric viewpoint, you find you are the most sinful yourself. Rest, everybody is wonderful devotee. At that situation, we consider ourselves, I am the most demon among all of you. And it takes a lot of guts to say that. And it's very easy to say that, मैं तो बड़ा भक्त हूं. Isn't it? Because Vaishnava Acharya say that they have taught us through their expressions of love for Lord, I am just a kid in the shit. When they have given us the crust of all the Vedic literature, they are guiding us. They have become milestones on our endeavors to receive the shelter of Krishna's lotus feet. They have become milestone. If that milestone is not there, we will not be able to reach Krishna. They are saying that I am just an insect. I am the worm in the stool. That degree we have to come, and that can only come when we have got ample of knowledge. And only one thing, devotion, devotion, and devotion for the Supreme Personality of Godhead. If we have all the frills attached to ourselves, we'll not emerge as better devotees, my dear friends. So since we are all trying to become devotees, we should minimize our offenses. We should focus on our devotional service. We should work on ourselves. Rather than working on others and disturbing their devotional service, we should try to work on ourselves all the time. Look in the mirror and see how many wrinkles you have developed every day. Look into the mirror, how many white hair you have developed in years. Are you able to see yourself directly on the mirror? Can you face yourself? The devotional service is very, very important, my dear friends. Duties executed by men, regardless of occupation, are only so much useless labor if they do not provoke attraction for the message of the Supreme Lord. ये छोटे से जीवन में हम सबको भक्त बनना है प्रभु। ये मत सोचिए कि मैं इस व्यासासन पे बैठा हूँ और आपको सिर्फ इंस्ट्रक्ट दे रहा हूँ। मेरा भी कर्तव्य है कि मैं इन सभी इंस्ट्रक्शंस को अपने जीवन में धारण करते हुए अपने आध्यात्मिक जीवन की प्रगति में लगूं। और हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हम भी दूसरों के गुणों और अवगुणों को देखते हुए उनके स्वभाव को कृष्ण भावनामृत बना सकें। In the street we see sometimes the dogs fighting. Just because one has entered into the other's territory. Isn't it? What is the cause? Just because he has by chance gone into the street of other dogs, and he is becoming very angry. Wow, 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 wow. What happened? What happened? They were going on very nicely. Somebody is catching it. The other person is. Why? How? There is no reason. The propensities of dogs is the propensity of a dog. But when we are doing devotional service, we have to be we have to so much conserve ourselves in such a manner that we can do devotional service. Because devotional service is depending on so many things. If I have to eat prasadam, I have to eat prasadam. If somebody is not correct, I may go crazy. And I may lose the propensity of eating prasadam at the time. Because somebody has done some nonsense while I am taking prasadam. But the main thing is that I have to eat prasadam. But if I also go crazy like somebody, then the bigger udesh is missed. So we have to control the impulses of all our senses. That is why Bhagavad Gita tells us we have to control these senses. तब जाके श्रीमद् भागवतम के सुंदर स्कंदों को हम समझ सकते हैं और तब हम आध्यात्मिक जीवन के बारे में रियली कुछ समझ सकते हैं. So in this verse, Prabhupada ji is giving us almost about 7 to 8 points which we must meditate on. What is this? First one is, जिस तरीके से आप अपने आप को रखते हो दूसरे को भी वैसे ही रखने की चेष्टा करने का प्रयास कीजिए और भगवान भक्ति करना चाहते उससे भी उत्तम करना चाहिए. दिस इज नंबर 1. Second thing is, we must conclude that without devotional service, we cannot please Krishna. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadhami buddhi yogam tam yena mahabhupyantate. This is my humble request to all my brothers and sisters, everybody. It's very, very essential to do devotional service. Third thing is, therefore the duty of all devotees is to preach Krishna consciousness. प्रचार ही सार है. चैतन्य महाप्रभु कहते हैं, जा रहे देखो ताहे को कृष्ण उपदेश. And what can be the best time than this, when we are all endeavoring to please Prabhupada by distributing books and distributing books? What can be the best time? Great Acharya has given us opportunity to devotional service, to take this literature to one and all. Help others to become Krishna conscious. This world is bereft of Krishna consciousness. We need all Bharatvasis to rise on the occasion and accept this verdict of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Brahmanda Brahmate. And one who has achieved it, what is he has to do? He has to preach. Bharat bhumita hoila janam jar, janam sarthak kari karo paropakar. This word is here coming. What is real paropakar? Real paropakar is not that somebody is asking you, give me a cigarette dibbi, aap cigarette dibbi nikal ke de doge. परोपकार ये नहीं है कि शाम को बोलेगा चल ना यार चल हम पी लेते हैं. आप भी बोलेंगे हाँ चल चल पी लेते, बहुत मजा आता है जॉनी वॉकर पी के. So many rascals are indulging in all these activities. They feel they are on the top of the world. Isn't it? People are, बेवड़े का भी दोस्त होता है ना, बड़े बड़े का दोस्त होता है. Isn't it? अरे चलना मजा करते हैं हम लोग, सेशल्स जाते हैं, अपना पूरा कंपनी के लोगों को लेके जाएंगे सेशल्स, वहीं पे मीटिंग करेंगे. जनार्दन प्रभु गोवा ले चलते हैं आपको, ताकि आपका फिर से रस चूस ले मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ द कंपनी. मगर चैतन्य महाप्रभु क्या बोल रहे हैं? रियल परोपकार मीन्स helping somebody to become Krishna conscious. इंद्रियों पे विजय, मन को काबू और भगवत भक्ति में रंगत लाने का प्रयास करे, यही हमारा कर्तव्य है. कृष्ण भक्त बनाओ. और कृष्ण भक्त जो है उसको ये सब चीजें जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. न सिगरेट की जरूरत, न दारू की जरूरत, न छोकरी की जरूरत, न गैम्बलिंग की जरूरत. ये सब इन चीजों से रहित है. उसको ये सब चीजें जरूरत नहीं है. 12 घंटे करने के बाद उसको शाम को जॉनी वॉकर पीने की जरूरत नहीं है. भक्त जो है 20 घंटे भी सेवा कर रहा है, कोई पगार नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, फिर भी चेहरे पे मुस्कान सदैव. बताइए, ये अच्छा है कि वो जो दारू पी रहा है शाम को खोल रहा है जॉनी वॉकर, फिर रास्कल सुबह ऐसे गटर में पड़ा हुआ है. Tell me. Any sane person can discriminate between what is good and what is bad. Isn't it? Nowadays, I came to know yesterday or day before, the government of India has come out with a Sattvic, food certificate. Thanks to the government of India for coming out with this vision that we should develop Sattvic thing. Isn't it? That means we have to also become conscious what's happening around. Isn't it? Muslims think that they will spit in the food and it will become very nice. Correct? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Isn't it? We have seen so many places they are spitting on the food. And we don't know what are we eating. Any corrupt brain can do any nonsense anywhere. आपके सामने हॉट सिजलर लाके दिया, ऊपर अपना थूक डाल दिया, तो क्या करोगे आप? कहां देखेगा तुम्हारा ये कहां है, किसके पास में? बर्गर अंदर बन रहा है, मेरे को चाहिए बर्गर, मेरे को डबल बर्गर चाहिए. अब पता चला रास्कल अंदर से थूक मार के क्या दे देगा आपको? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? हाँ? This is their culture. What can we do? But this is not Vaishnava culture. Vaishnava culture means much more than what you are expecting. You have to do greater service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is devotional service. Even nowadays, even the Gurdwaras, they are serving the food which is full of onion and garlic. Guru Nanak Ji never said that you should have, in your food, onion and garlic. So my dear friends, when we are all talking about Krishna consciousness, it is a greatest science to link yourself with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, with all those methodologies which is given by Krishna himself, which is given by the Acharyas. We have to imbibe them, we have to accept them, we have to execute them and become better devotees and rise above Janam, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadi, Dukh, Dosha, Anudosh. We have to rise above these doshas and go back home, back to God, because we believe in next life. We believe in devotional life, and that's what we have to achieve in our little life. And then, to preach Krishna consciousness is the best welfare activity. Indeed, it is described by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Paraupakhar. कैसे दूसरों को हम अच्छे भक्त बनाएं, ये सबसे बेस्ट उपकार है. जो व्याधियों से छूटे, जो अपने हैबिट से छूटे. आपको मालूम है इंडिया में गुटखा का बिजनेस कितना हो रहा है? Billions of dollars of gutka is sold, and the person who is the owner, he will have plane to go, and the person who is taking every day, he is suffering from the cancer. If we can become instrumental in making them to understand that this gutka life is not your life, your smoking is not your life, सड़क पे टट्टी खाने की जरूरत नहीं है, मंदिर में कृष्ण प्रसाद पाने की अभिलाषा होनी चाहिए. इस अभिलाषा के लिए भी हमारे जीवन में मानसिक पट पे ये सिद्धांत होना चाहिए. नहीं तो इस जीवा पे कंट्रोल नहीं होगा तो तुम कहीं का भी कहीं का कुत्ता बन सकता है. This is what we have to learn in the Vaishnava culture. And this Vaishnava culture can make you one day eligible to understand this transcendental message. And this Srimad Bhagavatam is the absolute literature in this material world. Nothing can transcend Srimad Bhagavatam, and this can give you access to Goloka Dham. That is why the purpose of Vyasadeva was to write Srimad Bhagavatam, which Hindus are not studying. They are not studying, my dear friends. That is why this is the greatest welfare work, engaging everybody in the service of Krishna. Namasamaran. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. When you are making somebody a devotee, you are helping him. You are helping him not to go to the Narka. You are helping him to become better devotee. Earlier हमने पढ़ा, प्रभुपाद जी बता रहे हैं, नरक में जाने के लिए बहुत पैसा लगता है. हाँ, है कि नहीं? पढ़ा ना हमने, प्रहलाद महाराज जी बोल रहे, प्रभुपाद जी बता रहे. हाँ? नरक में जाने के लिए बहुत पैसा लगता है, मगर भगवत धाम में जाने के लिए ज्यादा पैसा नहीं लगता. हाँ? क्योंकि भगवान बोलते हैं पत्रम पुष्पम फलम त्वयं यो मा भक्त प्रणश्यति. मगर नरक जाने के लिए जॉनी वॉकर कितना रुपए का बोतल हर दिन एक एक खाली कर देता है, पता ही नहीं चला ये कहां जाता है. दूसरे दिन पेशाब कर लिया, खत्म. हाँ, $500 का जॉनी वॉकर चला गया. हाँ? मांस खा लिया, व्यभिचार किया, हाँ, और गैम्बलिंग किया. ये 4 जो रास्ते हैं नरक के, आसान, बड़े बड़े कॉस्टली रास्ते हैं. जाते हैं ना, रेस कोर्स में जाते हैं, एक घोड़े पे पैसा लगाते हैं, होटलों में चले जाते हैं. जब थोड़ा सा पैसा आ जाता है बोलते मैं कब जाऊं ताज में. हाँ? सो प्रभुपाद जी आचार्य हमें कहते हैं नरक जाना बहुत कॉस्टली है, और भगवत धाम जाना बहुत आसान. भगवान को थोड़ा जल चढ़ाओ, तुलसी लगाओ उसमें प्रेम से, हे भगवान मैं बड़ा मूर्ख हूं, मैं कुछ जानता नहीं हूं. आपने स्टोरी सुना ना एक ब्राह्मण का, चैतन्य चरितामृत लीला में, क्या है? और दूसरा एक ब्राह्मण, आपको स्टोरी सुना होगा. तो ब्राह्मण किसी जगह जाना था, तो आपने बेटे को बोला जा भगवान को जरा भोग लगाया कर. तो बेटा इतना अच्छा भक्त था, साक्षात प्रभु को प्रसाद खा लेते थे, वो लगाते थे और खा लेते थे. तो पिताजी को बोल दिया, बोले तो भगवान तो खा लेते. क्या बोल रहा है, मेरा तो 50 साल निकल गया ये सब घंटी बंटी लगा के, वो तो कभी खाया नहीं. है? ये कैसा खा लिया? इस बच्चे के भाव इतने निर्मल थे, इस बच्चे के भाव इसने थे कि पिताजी मेरे को डांटेंगे क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरे को सेवा दिया आपका, अगर आप खाओगे नहीं तो वो मेरे को डांटेंगे. आप खा लीजिए, आप खा लीजिए. पिताजी आ गए, बोला ये तो खा रहे. Innocence is the best instrument in any person or in any lady. This innocence is very, very important, my dear friends. This innocence should have purity. This innocence should be backed by not ignorance. It should be backed by purity. And then Krishna becomes so much impressed. He becomes so impressed. And you know this wonderful story of Braj, when you go to, 84 कोस परिक्रमा. So you come to a place called Akrur Ghat, isn't it? So in the Akrur Ghat, all these Brajavasis used to enjoy with Krishna, to eat wonderful footsteps and everything. So while they were grazing all the animals, all the cows and everything, Krishna felt very hungry, isn't it? They were all midway towards Mathura. He said, why don't you go to Mathura में सब ब्राह्मण हैं, वहाँ पर सब ब्रजवासी हैं, उनके पास चले जाओ, थोड़ा बोलो कि हम लोगों को भूख लगा हुआ. तो वो लोग सब ब्राह्मणों के पास चले गए. ब्राह्मण लोग पूरा घंटी लगा के पूरा वर्शिप कर रहे थे भगवान. तो वो बिजी थे, किसी ने उनका सुना नहीं. ये सब ग्वाल बाल गए थे, उन्होंने कुछ सुना ही नहीं उनको. तो बोले अरे काना, कोई हमारा सुना ही नहीं है, तो इसलिए हम लोग खाली हाथ लौट आए. तो काना बोलते अरे मूर्खो, तुम किसके पास गए थे? बोले हम लोग ब्राह्मणों के पास गए थे. अरे तुमने तो यही गड़बड़ कर दिया. आप लोग ब्राह्मणियों के पास चले जाओ, उनको बोलो कि काना को भूख लग गया है कि नहीं? वो सब चले गए, बोले कि काना को भूख लगे. तो वो सब ब्राह्मणों हमने को छोड़ के चले गए. क्या? और कृष्ण के लिए सब पकवान लाने लगे. और आपको मालूम है भगवान क्या बोल रहे हैं उनको? ध्यान से सुनो आप. श्रवणाद दर्शनाद ध्यानं मयि भावो नुकीर्तनात् न तथा संकीर्षणे प्रतियात्वा तथो ग्रहान्. It is by hearing about me, seeing my deity form, meditating upon me and chanting my names and glories, that love for me will develop. ये जो प्रेम हमारा उगता नहीं है, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हाँ? हम हियरिंग करते नहीं है. एक कान से जाता, दूसरे कान से निकलता, बीच में रहता ही नहीं कहीं. है कि नहीं? सुखदेव गोस्वामी जी ने परीक्षित को भागवतम बताया, खाना पीना छोड़ दिया. तो यहां पर क्या कलयुग में हो रहा है? 1.5 घंटा हो गया, 1 घंटा हो गया, तो ऐसा 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 कर रहे कि कब ये स्वामी जी खत्म करे, हम लोग प्रसाद मानो चले जाए. यहां पर परीक्षित महाराज पूरा 7 दिन सुन रहे कथा, न प्यास लग रहा है, न भूख लग रहा है, न कि एक आंख का ब्रू भी बंद हो रहा है. जब भगवत प्राप्ति के लिए तीव्रता इतनी उन्माद हो जाती है, उस वक्त खाना पीना छोड़ जाता है. Isn't it? That should be our endeavor. Hearing is very, very important on the path of devotional service. इसलिए आध्यात्मिक जीवन की प्रगति के लिए प्रभु लोग सुनना बहुत जरूरी है. और कहां सुनना है, किसका सुनना है, यह भी बहुत जरूरी है. और दूसरा बात कि हमें ठाकुर जी को निहारना है. ये सब जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, ये बहुत बड़ा विशाल मंदिर का कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, ये सब हो रहा है, ये किस लिए हो रहा है? कि हम सब मिलके ठाकुर जी की सेवा करें. Isn't it? इतने बड़े सुंदर तरीके से हम भगवान की सेवा करें कि पूरे स्थान में सब लोग आके ठाकुर जी से प्रेम करने लगे। Isn't it? So this is the endeavor of all of you. This is not an ordinary endeavor. Materialistic person will think, ये क्या कर रहे हैं, इतना बड़ा मंदिर बना रहे हैं स्वामी जी, हाँ? मगर ये हम अपने लिए नहीं बना रहे। प्रभुपाद जी बता रहे, हम लोग पेड़ के नीचे रह के भी अपना माला जप कर सकते हैं, मगर चैतन्य महाप्रभु का ये मिशन नहीं है। हमारा मिशन ये है, जार देखो ताहे कहो कृष्ण उपदेश। चाहे वो मिनिस्टर है, चाहे वो बॉलीवुड एक्टर है, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, वो मंदिर में आके अपनी भौतिक वासनाओं को शुद्धिकरण कर सके। क्योंकि जब हम ठाकुर जी को सुंदर तरीके से सजाएंगे, हमारे ब्राह्मण लोग, हमारे ब्राह्मण वैष्णव लोग जब ठाकुर जी को बड़े प्रेम से खिलाएंगे, सजाएंगे, उनके दर्शन मात्र से ही भौतिक जीव का हृदय निर्मल हो जाता है। और उसके बाद पादोदिकम, उनकी चरणारविंद से निकला हुआ चरणामृत हमारी खोपड़ी में समझ नहीं आता होगा। हमको यह बताएगा क्या चरणामृत मीठा है, हमको वहां तक जा सकते कि मीठा है, मगर हमको यह मालूम नहीं कि हमें यह चरणामृत ठाकुर जी के चरणों का मिल रहा है। और इस चरणामृत को पान करने से हमारा हृदय कितना स्वच्छ हो जाता, कितने पाप कट जाते, कितना शुद्धिकरण हो जाता है। This is very, very impossible for a materialistic person to contemplate how much purification can happen by Charnamrit. How much purification can happen by just simply standing in front of the sweet Lord. He is all auspicious. He is so merciful. वो दयावान है, यशस्वी है, सुहृदम है, वो हर हृदय में वास करने वाले हैं, करते हैं। ऐसी प्रक्रियाओं को करते करते रहेंगे तो आपके जीवन में शुद्धिकरण आएगा और आप अच्छे भक्त बन सकते हैं। आप में बहुत से मांसाहारी थे, आप में से बहुत सिगरेट पीते थे, आप में से बहुत दारू पीते थे, आप में से बहुत से कांदा लहसुन खाते थे, आप में से सब कोई चाय कॉफी पीते थे। मगर ये 10 साल पहले की स्थिति है, 15 साल के पहले की स्थिति थी, 50 साल पहले की स्थिति है। मगर आप सब चेंज हो गए। किसने चेंज कराया? ठाकुर जी की दर्शन ने, ठाकुर जी के चरणामृत ने, ठाकुर जी के प्रसाद ने, भक्तों के प्रेम ने, भक्तों के कीर्तन ने, भक्तों के दया के अंतर्गत हम भक्त बन गए। तो हमारे जो भक्ति का जीवन जो है हमसे नहीं बना हुआ है। बहुत से कृपालु थे हम पे, बहुत लोगों ने कृपा किया हम पे, हमारे अवगुणों को नहीं देखे, सद्गुणों को देखे। तो अपने आंखों से अवगुण मत देखो, सद्गुण देखिए किसी के। प्रभुपाद जी कहते हैं, डोंट सी द फॉल्ट्स ऑफ पीपल, सी देयर गुड पॉइंट्स। So this is what is, to be worked on. Chanting should be done, and Prabhupada ji says, Krishna is telling to all the ladies, it's not the proximity. Krishna is telling to this shloka is the wives of all the Brahmanas. It is not that you come to me, but You can have darshan, you can chant, you can meditate, and you will become purified in our endeavors. So, in this lifetime, we have to purify ourselves, my dear friends, today or tomorrow, and don't be afraid of anything. One who is on the path of devotional service, giving up everything for his pleasure, Krishna will protect you. If you think that you are afraid of giving up your one house, Krishna will send you palatial house. Okay? Now we said that we are doing it, everything to the Lord. When a driver is driving the Mercedes Benz of a proprietor, doesn't he get also the air condition which the same boss is getting? Doesn't he get the same luxury of riding the same car? But only thing is he has to keep the attitude very humble. That he is driving the car, a limousine of a boss. And the moment we are all executing our devotional service here, we keep ourselves grounded all the time. Then you can also stay in the Udyan of Lord, where He is manifesting unlimited flowers, which go at the lotus feet of Krishna all the time. But you can have a glimpse of this wonderful Udyan, which you are preparing. And be flower of this Udyan. And Mali is Vanamali. Krishna's name is Vanamali. Huh? But if you want to become bush, what can he do? That's your own karma. You want to become bush? No problem. That's your own karma. But if you take up the process of devotional service, you will become fragrant like flower. So we all have to become wonderful devotees, my dear brothers and sisters. We all have to do this. And chant the holy name. Distribute books and distribute books. And let us please great spiritual master, His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, in this little lifetime and follow the rules and regulations. And thus He will take us back home, back to Godhead. Be assured. Be assured and be assured. Hare Krishna. Any questions?